Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how credit card and interest rates work. So make sure to watch the full video. If you don't pay your credit card statement balance in full by your due date, your lender will start charging interest on the unpaid balance. Credit card interest compounds daily, so the amount of interest you owe your lender can quickly become unmanageable. This is part of the reason you should strive to avoid paying interest, if at all possible. But life happens, and you may find yourself with a credit card balance you can't pay in full. In that case, it helps to understand exactly how interest is calculated, how it plays a role in your monthly payment, and how you can minimize these extra charges. What is credit card interest, and why does it matter? Credit card interest is an extra charge you pay when you carry a credit card balance. Think of it as a fee you pay to a lender for allowing you to borrow money. Credit card interest matters because this added cost makes everything you buy with a card more expensive. Even the average credit card interest rate is hovering above 17%, which is quite high. The higher your credit card's APR and the less you pay toward your balance each month, the more credit card interest you ultimately pay. When is credit card interest charged? Interest only kicks in when you don't pay your statement balance in full by your due date. At the end of every billing cycle, you'll get a statement that tells you exactly how much you owe. At that point, your purchases are still interest-free. But if you don't pay that amount in full by the due date on your statement, the unpaid balance carries over to the next billing cycle, becoming a revolving balance. Then interest is applied to your purchases. What determines a credit card's interest rate? If a credit card has a variable APR, which they almost always do, the interest rate is most likely indexed to the prime rate. Credit card issuers use the prime rate to determine a range of APRs for their card products. From there, interest rates are assigned to you based on your credit score, credit history, and other factors. When you apply for a credit card, your issuer will do a hard credit inquiry, sometimes called a hard pull, into your credit report. This will allow it to see your credit score, payment history, number of credit accounts, and other valuable information about the way you use credit. Your issuer will use this information to determine whether to issue you a credit card, as well as what your credit limit and interest rates will be. People with higher credit scores usually qualify for lower interest rates. A good credit card interest rate is generally below the average, which is around 17%. How to calculate credit card interest? Here's how to calculate credit card interest. Find your current APR and the current balance on your monthly credit card statement. Divide your credit card APR by 365, the number of days in the year, to find your daily interest rate. Multiply your balance by your daily interest rate. Multiply your daily interest rate by the number of days in your billing cycle. How to pay less in credit card interest? Making a purchase with a credit card has many benefits, especially if you are trying to build your credit or earn rewards, but interest charges could cost you a lot of money over the long term. With that in mind, your best bet is to avoid interest charges or take steps to minimize their impact. These strategies can help you save money on credit card interest now and later in life. 1. Pay your credit card bill in full each month. Most credit cards offer a grace period that begins on the last day of your billing cycle and ends on your payment due date. If you pay off your statement balance before your grace period ends, you won't be charged interest on those purchases. Most credit cards allow you to set up auto pay so that you never miss a payment. 2. Pay your bill early. You don't have to wait until your billing statement closes to make a payment. In fact, you can reduce interest charges on revolving balances by paying your credit card bill early and reducing your average daily balance throughout the month. 3. Sign up for a balance transfer card. Already have costly debt? Consider transferring your balance to a credit card that offers a 0% intro APR period. The best balance transfer credit cards offer up to 21 months of no interest before the regular APR kicks in. 4. Pick a credit card with a low APR. Be mindful of a card's different interest rates before you apply. Look for cards that offer a lower than average interest rate, or even in 0% APR credit card that lets you avoid interest on purchases for a limited time. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.